That's the number to beat, boys. Start of week 4. Week 4, week 4, week 4, week 4, week 4. As taken into suggestion, I'm gonna show you some great healthy recipes. This first one is healthy chicken nuggets on a paper plate. You can get these chicken nuggets at Costco. They look like this, and then put them in your air fryer. And I get to eat chicken nuggets. I get to eat chicken nuggets for lunch and not feel bad about it, so.
I'll be honest, sometimes self-hatred is a little bit more motivating than self-love. I just got to the gym and I walked past a couple of the mirrors and I just wasn't super stoked about what I saw. So instead of walking, I'm going to do a little bit of running on the treadmill, even though I hate running on the treadmill. Okay, I'm doing 5 minutes on, 5 minutes off, running and walking. I'm at 16 minutes. I'm tired. Let's go 45 minutes. Start. All right, I just got done at the gym. I walked for 47 minutes and I did my squat song as well. So I'm done. I didn't really feel like running today, but I still needed to do something, so I decided to work out in some kind of way. So even though I didn't feel like running, I still worked out, but happy to be done. Back at the gym. I'm just walking for today, though. Just taking it pretty easy. I still haven't finished with my squat song, but walking. All right. We're on the way down, but today we're doing a hike. We just hiked up to Goldbug.
A good thing you're a videographer in the
Good thing we are. Yeah, let's take a look at this view from here at least.
Wow. That's some stellar energy right there.
We have Colby here as a guest star on the vlog today.
Yes, you know, I like to travel.
How was the hike?
Love my family. Hike was a breeze.
And how was the horse
hiking in the Idaho? I'm feeling good.
It was a little bit rougher for me. I don't know why. I was super gassed.
Yeah.
But I got there.
We're in the forces. That'll be it.
It wasn't the forces. We got Max up there. She's been a little bit of a butt on the way down, but overall she's been pretty good. Okay, we will catch you at the bottom because I'm about to lose my life and my phone on these rocks.